Turn right. And we're almost in our hotel. There's the fort.
It is Fort Costanza's.
That's the port of St. Augustine. This is where we went last 2017. And we came back. Let's see where our hotel is. Castillo de San Marcos National Monument. And here's the bay, Marina Bay.
Turn right, then turn left.
Here?
Hilton, yep.
That's
This
a
is
tight
where we're
road.
staying. Oh, it's just a walking distance on the port, so that's nice. So Hilton, that's where we're staying tonight.
You have arrived.
This is it.
Place. Okay. I put on some shoes.
Okay, so let's check in and then
We are getting everything out
find
of here.
something to eat after.
Amazing.
We are staying at the Hilton St. Augustine on Matanzas Bay in beautiful downtown St. Augustine, Florida.
Mhm.
This is a picture of the elevator. Nice and silver. All right, let's go.
It looks so tight in here. Okay, so we're looking for a room.
201 to 208, straight ahead.
So
Oh wait, never mind. We're right here.
is this door?
Well,
Next
Could be better,
to
but
the elevator here. It's our room.
here we go.
So let's see what our room looks like here.
That's tricky. Okay.
Let's go.
Got the door?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
And turn the lights on.
We're good.
Okay, it's all white here.
Not big TV.
Okay, so this is our room for 2 nights here at St. Augustine. And it's it has a balcony. So balcony here. It's got 2 beds.
Beautiful bay.
Oh, nice view, Dana. We got that. Is there a TV, mirror, got 1 bathroom, 1 bathroom there, and the balcony. Oh, nice to just sit down here in the morning.
Yeah, it smells good out
Okay.
here. And they have
Nice.
breakfast and dinner here. So I don't think breakfast is free though. I don't think. I didn't ask them because I didn't want to seem cheap.
Got nice view. There you go, nice picture.
I like
Anna.
people to think I'm a multi-millionaire while I'm on vacation.
Oh.
I am a thousandaire.
Person here. 70 degrees, but a little bit cool. So I'm still wearing my turtleneck sweater. So I think
Okay,
that will
Mom,
be okay.
I have an explanation.
We're done?
Only problem with the bathroom is that come inside. The only problem is that the toilet paper is really far away from the seats, and the door doesn't seem to lock unless you have it far away from the door and really far away from the seat. Look,
What is it? It's just too tight?
it's far away from the seat, and look,
Right.
look.
Oh, it's not working.
Lock
Why?
doesn't work.
Well, it's okay. We don't need to lock it. We'll just...
Okay, now it works, but there.
It is working.
It kind of-
Dina,
It
fine.
only works when you slam the door shut. So, and that's a nice sink.
Okay, so here's the bathroom, really nice and clean. Has a sliding door here for the shower. Toilet, the toilet paper is there. And this is very nice sink here. So we're staying here for 2 nights. So I'm glad that we got the one with the balcony. I like the sitting area here in the balcony. Look at that. That nice too. And there seems like there's 2 rooms in this one. And some walk. And then the port, St. Augustine Port is over there in that area. So that was nice. Oh, it's nice to walk at nighttime here in the bay. It's nice. And I think we're gonna go for a walk and get something to eat. Okay? So we'll see you then in a bit.